Hello printheads, and welcome back to the Printheads YouTube channel, where today guys I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Epson EcoTank printer to your laptop via the Wi-Fi. Now guys, today I'm going to be using an ET-2800. However, if your EcoTank is a different model guys and it looks a little bit different, that's completely okay. Every EcoTank has the same firmware and hardware and the exact same setup system on your Windows device. And so guys, if you don't have a screen, which guys, it doesn't really do anything anyway. If you don't have any of those things, guys, that's completely okay. If your model's a bit different, this tutorial will still work. All you need as a kind of thing that you should already have done, guys, is to have connected your printer to the Wi-Fi. Now, we have tutorials on our channel on exactly how to do that for any EcoTank printer. I'll link a full in-depth description in the guide. Yeah, so once you've done that, guys, this video will show you exactly how to connect it from that point to your computer. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to show you two methods of connection in this video. The first method will just be, standard connecting. You won't really be able to manage the printer, but you will be able to kind of print just standard documents from your computer. However, guys, the second method where we install the drivers and go on the Epson website, all of that Joe Schmo, that will be in the second part of the video. And then if you do that, you can scan from your computer, you can run cleanings from your computer, you can manage the whole printer from your computer. But firstly, guys, I'm going to show you the very simple method, which is you just search up printers and scanners in your search bar here. And guys, you just press on here and you'll be taken to this window here, guys. All you have to do, so long as your printer is on the same Wi-Fi as your computer, is just press add device. And guys, what it's going to do is your printer will show up here and you literally just press add device. So I've already connected it here, but all you do is press add device. And then, yeah, guys, you'll be able to print any documents you want on Microsoft Word or a PDF or whatever. Guys, all you do is just, if you can't find it, just press like more options or something, and you'll be able to find it so long as you're connected to your printer this way. So yeah, that's it, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it properly and install the proper software and everything. So guys, what you're going to want to do is go to epson.co.uk or epson.com, or guys, if you're in another country, then go to your regional Epson website. And guys, this is really important that you do go to your own website, because otherwise you will end up installing the wrong drivers and it just won't work. It won't connect to your EcoTank. And guys, I did this a long time ago and had lots of trouble setting up just because I was on the wrong website. So if you're in the UK, go to .co.uk, us.com, Switzerland.sh or whatever it is, all of those things, guys. Denmark.dk, you hopefully you know what your country code is, but if not, just search up Epson on the internet and you should find it. So guys, once you're here, just go to Epson/support and you're just going to look up okay guys, so once you're on the Epson support website, just search up your model. So for me, guys, I'm using an ET-2800, so I just look up ET-2800, and guys, there it is. So just press on your model. And then you just want to scroll down to Epson product setup, guys. Just press the plus sign and then download. So guys, I know on the US website, it may ask you for what operating system you're using. And then so just put in what operating system you're using, Windows 11, whatever, yada, yada, yada. And then just press download in the same fashion with the one that's recommended. The one that's recommended is normally the best one to do. So guys, once that's downloaded, you just want to open it up. And then you will start the process of installing. So I'm just going to cut back quickly to when mine's done. Okay, guys, so when you open it, you're going to see this little software installer. And so I'm going to guide you right through this, guys. It's a very simple process. So you just want to press accept at the bottom here, and then just press yes. And then it's just going to check your system. And guys, I'm going to unselect these because, don't want big data to have all of my information and that. So then just press next. And then I have finished filling my ink. And so, yeah, from here, guys, it's going to download the required software. And then once that's done, guys, it's going to essentially just search for your printer. And so long as you're on the same Wi-Fi and you've installed the correct driver and you haven't gone on the wrong website, then it will just automatically detect your printer and it will just have a little pop-up. I'll show you guys once this is done. And from there, guys, you're basically done. So I'm just going to cut back to when this is finished downloading. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's downloaded the required software, and you can just see now it's detected my EcoTank, and you're just going to press next. So no matter what model you use, guys, it would have the same process. It will detect your EcoTank so long as it's on the same Wi-Fi and all of that. So guys, now what it's going to do is it's going to pop up with which actual software you want. Now, guys, I've actually just downloaded all of it because all of it can be useful. However, the main things you're really going to want to install, and it's going to pop up in a sec, are the required drivers, of course, and then the scanning software, and then the update software. Those are the three things I definitely recommend. But to be honest, guys, I would just get it all because you never know when you might need, you know, the photo software or anything like that. Oh, should I press close? Okay, guys, so I've just done it all, but you can select which parts of this you want. Definitely get the scan software, and then once you've selected what you want, guys, just press next, and you're done, guys. You can do a test page here if you want, but I'm not going to because, guys, if it's at this point, you're done. It's already sorted. So, guys, if you need help utilizing any of the functions, we do have videos on our channel which show you exactly how to do that, like the scan function or how to run cleanings from your computer. All of those things, guys, they are all possible now. So congratulations, guys. I hope this has been a useful video. If you have any other problems, feel free to check out the rest of our channel, guys. We have videos on every printer and every problem. And thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Always remember, stay printy.